flash flood warning for Avoyelles Parish in central Louisiana, northeastern Evangeline Parish in central Louisiana, southeastern Reputes Parish in central Louisiana, northeastern St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Ville Platte, Marksville, Bunkie, Semisport, Moorville, Chittaville,